Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to another video here from the window cleaning store. Today I want to introduce to you a new service and slash product we have going on here at the window cleaning store. We've got, as you can see, logoed ball caps and logoed polo shirts now available. In other words, your logo onto our shirts and caps. Just want to give you a kind of an up close look and see the quality of the work. You can see the fine printing down at the bottom there. Really nice job. It's embroidered caps, embroidered shirts. Here's a nice northern light. Even got the nice white trimming around the lettering and the maple leaf there. Here's give you another example of a polo shirt in white. The polo shirts are a poly cotton blend. As you can see, the quality of the work is top notch. I really found a good person to work with here. So as I said earlier, you send us your logo or your text or whatever you want on a ball cap or on a polo shirt. We've got about I think 4 or 5 different colors of ball caps, and the same with the shirts. You give us a design and we give you a quote. Pretty much the pricing is going to be standard. The only thing we need to really quote on is if you want to do higher quantities, and also we have to approve your logo design. Obviously, if the lettering is too small in your logo, we may have some issues, but we'll discuss that with you before we do a production run. You can order just one. There's no minimum. You can just order one if you want. You can order 10. You can order 20 if you got a whole big staff. Anyway, you can email us, or you can also visit us on the web at thewindowcleaningstore.com. But you can email us at info@beautifulview.ca if you want to get some company logoed, branded ball caps or polo shirts for your company. Just give us a shout and let's see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.